So if she can farm, anyone can farm, guys. Mommy, that's because you got Inca from Peru. Here's a look at the grading that's been going on here. The scraping from my mom's front porch. That's LMA at work right there with Gil Roebuck, owner of RPI Builders here in the Hickory metro area. He's leveling this out because they're going to be pouring a 12-foot by 40-foot pad for a walkout porch. Look at my baby. LMA is working hard. She just got a tune-up. She had a spa treatment at Barger Equipment here in Conover, North Carolina. Great company, family owned and operated. You know how I am. I love to support local. This vision, by the way, started in 2018, but the movement started in 2015 when we came back from Florida. So it's been pretty amazing. We prayed over it. I signed out the kids from school and we took a walk along that road, that the black road, all the way up to the front. And we prayed Genesis. When God told Abraham that he's got to leave the land and go to a foreign land. This has been very foreign to us, but it's been an amazing joy. It's been very sanctifying, and we found a lot of people that are like-minded. All right, so now we're gonna go take a visit down to my sister's house. I love going on this road because it's just so nice not to get mud on us anymore. I love it. So, here we go. Yeah, black top. No more mud. No more clay. No more dust. Sister's house. She's at the entrance. And soon. And we got blacktop. Gosh, I just can't stop looking at it. Beautiful entrance, and that's what it looks like all the way through there. And then up there, all the way, you see our beehives. We have 12 hives up there, and then all the way at the top, where you see that porta potty all the way up there somewhere. There's the other house. So, and this is my sister's house. You're gonna drive, okay, Mom? Show them how it's done. Hold it and show them how. You gotta hold it with your hand like this and film behind you.
Yeah.
So we're gonna teach this lady. We're gonna get her to farm sooner or later. All right. So first, these right here, we're gonna go put these down first, right? It'll get you going. Boom, and then right here. That's good. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and unlock you. Here, watch this. There. Now, with this one, look, you open the mouth, you close the mouth. Okay, now you want to go out far, you go like this. Now you want to go out far. Okay, now push this one out. There we go, slowly, slow. Everything you got to do slow. There we go. Slow. Good job, Ma. My mother, who likes everything to be perfectly clean, is now working the backhoe. Now close the mouth. It's okay. It's okay. All right. It's okay. Are you okay? It's fine. Okay. Now turn to your left. The right stick to your left. There. Keep going. Now the left stick, pull it back towards you. Move it to the left so it can go that way. Let go of the right stick. All right, now push it forward now. Okay, now with the right stick, push it forward too. Okay, now left stick forward. Okay, now right stick to the right. Good job. Way to go, Ma. Good job. Hey, guys. So if she can farm, anyone can farm, guys. That's it. Mommy, that's because you got Inca from Peru. All right.
All right, guys. Today I'm out here to give you another update on the barn. Today we are going to be getting gutters installed. I believe we're getting 3 downspouts on this side of the barn, 2 at the end, and 1 down at this corner right here. We have this rock piled up right here because it's going to make for better drainage, so we don't have mud and everything draining down. So the people that came and put this asphalt in that you guys have seen over here, those people that put the asphalt in, they actually dumped all this rock right here, and it's very heavy, like big chunks of gravel. So they are going to put 2 downspouts up front and gutters all around, and I believe there's going to be sections on both sides to help for drainage too.
All right, guys, so Emma came out earlier and filmed a little bit of what's going on today. So part of this whole major project, since we're pioneer farming, right, we started from scratch. And when I mean by scratch, I mean like that. That's what our farm looked like. And we've cleared and we've done this and done that and leveled and mulch brought in. So part of the big movement this first half of this year is that we got this in. We want to get the barn enclosed, but there's certain steps we have to take before that. We have so much coverage. You're talking about almost a 6,000 square foot barn. If you can see up there, you see the top. That's a lot of roof. That's a lot of surface area shedding a lot of water. So we need commercial size gutters, okay, industrial size gutters. So we're gonna go 6-inch gutters, 6-inch downspouts. I think they're gonna be black to give us a little bit of contrast. By the way, the shortage on materials is so bad that our first 3 choices they can't find within a 40-mile radius. They can't find any metal. So downspouts are gonna come down right here. One's gonna come down right here, and then we'll have to dig this up and dump it into this area. And by the way, the chickens are here for this season, and then at the end of March, April, we'll move them to the whole open pasture. They'll have 3 acres to just roam free and do whatever. And we'll move all the tarps and all that. But anyway, so that's gonna be here, downspout there. It's gonna be 6 inches, and then it's gonna go down here. 1 right here, okay? And we're gonna run it this way, in here. Then we're gonna have 1 here, and run it in here. That's why we piled a lot of rocks here. It's number 4 rock. It's been very expensive, but it's doing the job. Let me show you guys something. You see where the first roof ends? They're gonna put a 3-foot section. Okay, that's gonna, when the water falls, instead of splashing down here, it's gonna redirect the water over there. Just a 3-foot section. And they're gonna do it in that corner over there. And it's gonna redirect it towards the middle. As you can see, this is what happens when you don't have gutters. It starts washing away. And it's important that we have the fine stuff in the millings, because it's the fine stuff that actually bonds everything together, right? It's the fine stuff that carries a lot of the oil. So what happens is when you get a lot of the washout from the fine stuff, you get loose rock like this, and you don't want that. So once the gutters go up, we're gonna come back. We have a big pile of just spare asphalt that they leave, and we're gonna sprinkle it here and then pack it down with our cars. Go back and forth, go back and forth. Downspout's gonna come down this way and run that way, okay? And then we're gonna put one at the last corner there, and it's gonna run this way and then across the whole backside and dump into where the chickens are at. We're gonna get heavy rains this week. So we're gonna find out if we can get by with 2 downspouts, or we'll need a third one. If we need a third one, they'll come back, and then what we'll do is we'll have to dig this up here and put about 100-foot, 4-inch, corrugated pipe that runs out here. So there you see it before. That's the before. Nothing. And he's been doing it for years. Yeah, if you're in this area and you need any kind of gutter work, call him. Right, Emma?
Yep.
All right, relocating the lawnmower. This is my crew. It's a race! And Emma's got Caitlin by 2 lengths of a more. She's making the last turn before the last straightaway. Uh-oh, she's creating a distance. She's pulling away. She's only got about another 50 feet to go. Here she goes. Come on, Caitlin. Right there. Bring Malin next to Caitlin. Caitlin, you had her. I saw you take the corner like NASCAR, and then she pulled away. Yep. Come on now.
Earlier today, guys, I told you what they were going to put in the barn. I told you that they were going to put the gutters and the downspouts, and I guessed correctly as to where they were going to put them. They did put 2 on that side and 1 down here. The downspouts, I mean. And the black it looks really good against that gray, does it not? I really think so. It looks like they did a really good job today. I went down and got, this pipe so we can guide the drainage from these downspouts down through to the chicken area over here. So we will be connecting these pipes down to here later on to so it can all drain out into there. Same thing with this end. We'll be putting those pipes all the way down to that end. And they did do the 3-foot sections on both corners, or on all 4 corners. Right here, right there, and right there. If you guys are in this area and you're looking for any sort of gutter work to be done, they're really friendly. They're super cheap, but they do their work very well. And they worked hard today and got it all done within a couple hours. Support local. We definitely support local. So I hope you guys can do that, because this looks amazing.